What's up guys, how's it going? I got another video for you guys. Just the second part to my vlog kind of thing. It's just I got some more parts from Grimmspeed, and I just want to show you what I'm doing with Grimmspeed. And I'm not sure if I'm going to install them today, but we'll see. Let me just show you really quick what they are. Yeah, so let me just show you guys what I got. So first is the intake by Grimmspeed. So yeah, comes with everything you need, and then there's the pipe. Kind of want to change the look. I had the cobb on for a while now. I think since, I don't know, 2019, 2018, maybe even before that. So yeah, kind of want to swap it out for Grimmspeed and change that up, and kind of get all the performance parts that are going to be Grimmspeed kind of thing. So yeah, so there's the intake. I'm gonna swap that out, and the reason why I got this is because it's red. The pipe is gonna be red, and it's gonna match all the other stuff that I have that's red. So pretty much the parent stuff and all the parent that's red right now, and then because this is the only one that's an eyesore right now is the cobb. I should have got the black one, but oh well. I'm not about to, I just want to change it up to Grimmspeed, and yeah, see how that performs. But yeah, I'm swapping this out because this blue is an eyesore for all this red. So yeah, the other part I got that I'm also swapping out for Grimmspeed is this is the Grimmspeed V2 catted downpipe. Comes with the GSI cat. Looks really good. Grimmspeed on there. Comes in 2 pieces. I guess it's for like installation, or maybe just for better packaging, because it did come in a smaller box compared to when I got the invidia. So now I just gotta install both of them. Gonna get the intake on and the downpipe, and then I should be done. I don't expect any difference in sound. I don't know. Maybe it'll sound a little different. We'll see. But other than that, yeah, that's about it for the Grimmspeed parts. Still waiting on one more. That one's a back order, and it should be in soon, hopefully. If not, maybe next year. Oh well. But let me just install these ones on, and then we'll go from there. Alright. Let me just get the car on quick jacks, and I have to remove the intercooler. I don't want to show you guys how to do it. Obviously, if you've seen so many videos of downpipe installs, you should already know. But let me just get this going, and then I'll show you probably the ending, how it looks and how it sounds. So we'll go from there. But let me just get all this stuff off, because it's gonna take a while, and then put the new downpipe and the new intake. Yeah, and we'll go from there. All right. Alright guys, intake is in, time lapse is done, got that done. Sorry I couldn't film the install, but it's not too hard. that's like pretty basic stuff. So yeah, the only thing is that you don't use the snorkel thing anymore, so that thing's no longer here. And that's about it. Other than that, simple install. Looks good. I like the red. Finally, no more eyesore with the blue. Everything's red. And yeah. So let me just finish the downpipe, put that on, and then I'll show you guys how that looks on the car before I put the intercooler back on. And then we'll do some sound clips of how the car sounds. I don't think it's gonna sound any different than what it does right now, but you never know. I mean, two totally different parts. We got the invidia catted downpipe, and then now the Grimmspeed catted. So yeah, let me just take you on another time lapse and then remove all this stuff, remove the old downpipe, put the new one on, and then we'll start her up and see how she sounds. Other than that, I mean, I do have a Tome exhaust. It's pretty loud already, but it doesn't bother me. I like the Tome and how it sounds. So yeah, let me just get this downpipe in, and then we'll go from there, guys. All right. Hey guys, alright, well, got the invidia downpipe off. Just kind of like stopping really quick, take a breather, and show you guys how they look side by side. That invidia used to be silver, so obviously this one's probably gonna turn the same color. It is counted. Overall, looks good. So let's just throw this one on really quick and we'll go back. It is pretty burnt. Probably from the pops and stuff, the tune that I used to have. But yeah, let me just throw on this one really quick and then I'll show you guys how it looks on the car. Alright. Alright guys, the new downpipe is out and it's ready. The only issue I have with this downpipe though is this connector is good and solid, but right here with the O2 sensor, I feel like this thing on the invidia was facing upward, so now it's like facing over here, so it's kind of stretched. I hope it's not too bad, but I think I might just get a O2 extension, see if I can run it from here, and then just a little extension just to keep it safe. I mean, it's not facing down or anything, so I don't think it would hit anything at all. But I don't know, Grimmspeed, if you guys are watching this video, I don't know, maybe you guys can send me another pipe, this middle part piece, and so I can face forward. That's the only issue I have. So hopefully I'm gonna reach out to them and see what they say. For now, I'll just run it like this, and if they can't do anything about it, then I'll just get a extended O2 cable thing and see how I can run it through here. But other than that, I mean, pretty easy install. It comes with all the gaskets, comes with the exhaust gasket, the new bolts, nuts, and then you just hook it up right here as adjustment, so you can go left or right. And yeah, it looks really good. I love it. Just can't wait to hear it. Hopefully sounds a little bit more throttly, more deeper than the invidia, but we'll see. Overall, easy install. And yeah, so let me just patch up everything on the top, put the intercooler back on, and then we'll start her up. Alright guys, well, I'm completely done. I have both the intake and the downpipe in there. It took me a while for both, but you know, oh well. Got it all done. Like I said earlier, the only issue I had was the downpipe, the O2 sensor thing. Wasn't all the way in. I mean, wasn't facing the right way. So I don't know, I might have to get an extension or something. But other than that, I mean, let's start up and see if there's anything different compared to the invidia. I don't think there's gonna be much, but I'm hoping for a deeper tone, so we'll see. Other than that, yeah, let's start her up real quick. Alright guys, that completes this install. Pretty easy, simple install. Just kind of wanted to get rid of all the invidia and the cobb, just make it kind of look more cleaner with the red. And then also the downpipe. The only reason why I swapped out the downpipe is because I want to, if I ever want to tune it later down the road, like get another turbo and then do another fuel mods and stuff, I will need a retune. So I just don't want no check engine light, so hopefully that helps. With the new catted downpipe they have in there, the GSI, it should work better than the other one, but we'll see. Overall, easy install. I mean, it's a downpipe and intake, not too hard. But I'm glad I did it. And then now I'm just gonna wait for the next part, which Grimmspeed has on back order. And hopefully that comes in soon, because yeah, it's gonna clean up the engine bay a little bit more. And yeah, but stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll do a comparison on the two. Just kind of revving in and show you guys how the different sounds. I don't think it's gonna sound any different, but you know, you never know. But yeah, overall, easy install. And thank you for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.